Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes,
Go.
ready.
Okay, what is this?
Okay.
Okay, today we talk about types of animals, mammals. What color is the cat? Is it orange? Is it orange or purple? What color? It's orange. Yes. What is this?
Monkey.
It's a monkey. Do you like monkeys? Do you like monkeys? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you like monkeys?
No, I don't.
What is the monkey eating?
Banana.
Yes, what color is the banana?
No, I don't.
Is it yellow or green?
Yellow.
It's yellow. What is this? What is this? Is it a horse or a pig? What is this? It's a horse or a dog? What is this? Horse, yes, good job. What color is it? Is it brown or yellow? Red? Red, it's brown. What type of animal is this? It's a rabbit, yes. What does a rabbit do? What does a rabbit do? It's hop, hop, hop. Yes. Do you have one of these at home?
dog.
It's a dog, yes. What color is the dog? What color is this? What color is this? Is it white or is it yellow? Is it white?
White.
It's white. What color do you see? Black or brown?
Brown.
Brown? Yes. And what other color?
Red.
Black or red?
Black or
Black. What is this? It's a...
red.
What sound does a cat make? It meows. Yes, good job. What is this?
It's a monkey.
Yes, does a monkey like banana? Not you, the monkey. Does the monkey like banana?
No, I don't.
No, you don't, but the monkey does. Does the monkey like a banana? Yes or no? Yes, it does. No, it does not. Yes or no?
No, I don't.
The monkey. Okay, what is this? Is it a horse or a dog?
Oh,
Yes, it's a horse. Next one. What is this? Is it a rabbit or a cat?
rabbit.
Does a rabbit eat carrots or oranges?
Rabbit.
Yes. What does it eat?
No, I don't.
You don't know? It eats a carrot. A carrot. Yes. What color is a carrot? What color is a carrot? Is it orange or yellow? Is it orange or yellow? No, a carrot is orange. It's orange. Yes, thank you. Goodbye.